Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back. Lumberjack Little Kitchen. Please to subscribe, like, and share. Recipe for today. We're going to have some curry oxtail, right? So you see what are my ingredients here? Chicken Maggi season, all-purpose Maggi season. So we have curry oxtail with broad bean, otherwise cowpeas, unknown coconut, or great type, right? We now blend great type. So see spice here. We have thyme, scallion, garlic, ginger, sweet pepper, Irish hot pepper, onion and carrot, also some pimento seed. Yeah. So we have some vegetable, ripe plant and lettuce. So please to subscribe, like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack on YouTube. Yeah, remember curry oxtail, you know. Broad bean, you know. So I'm gonna burn the curry like this. Take in oil. You know what Father's Day cooking, so I cook for fathers them one thing, you know? Yeah. So curry oxtail and broad bean. Yeah man, look what I go and see. Yeah man. Curry oxtail man, how you say what? Broad bean, lumberjack cooking, you know. Subscribe, like and share. Tenderize, you know. We now pressure it, you know. Just tenderize it for 15 minutes. So I go add some water to it and thing, is it? Yeah. So I go and cook down now. Alright. Spice it, I will spice up it, you know. So I go and cook down and thing and lock it and center. Yeah, see coconut juice there. Yeah man. Curry oxtail, you know. Yeah man, lumberjack kitchen, you know. Get a present for Father's Day. See him here. Yeah man. Thanks for the present. You hear that? Right being now going like curry oxtail. Eh? Take a preview upon the curry oxtail now. Nah, man, I lie. One, oxtail and bread beans, man. What? Scallion pepper and thyme. Pepper. Yeah, man. Curry oxtail with bread beans, man. Yeah, man. So I go on. Yeah, man. Curry oxtail with bread beans. And you have whole peas over there. Coconut juice, rice and peas. Well, it's me I say, Lumberjack Kitchen man. Subscribe, like and share. Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack on YouTube. I'm still cooking now. But I've been cooking now, so I'll spice up the pot now, is it? Yeah man, so spice them. This is the way me cook my curry oxtail. Yeah man. Yeah man, curry oxtail ready with the bread bean. Subscribe, like and share. Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack on YouTube. Yeah man, curry oxtail ready man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Curry oxtail ready like a Freddy, you know. Like not fry, you know. Yeah, dinner time. Curry oxtail and bread bean, fried platinum lettuce, cow peas, rice and peas. Yeah, man. Father's Day dinner time, you know.